Back at the famous Marriott Marquis, along with the elevator channel. Floors 1 through 17 right there. That's the internal elevator. I'll let you go ahead and do the honor since you've never been here before. Whoa.
Yeah, I noticed that.
That elevator's off.
So this is the only one that's actually working?
That one and the internal one. The one behind you.
Yeah. And it's all the way up on the top, so...
I'm gonna split this one here.
Yeah.
In 3, 2, 1. Did you hit down?
Yeah.
Okay. There's a TV in here. This is my first time riding the internal elevator since the modernization.
Oh, cool. So we get to experience something together here.
Yep. There you go, set up. So compare this to the one in Times Square, huh?
Just now finished accelerating.
Yep.
With the Maryland Department of Transportation, we appreciate that quick update on what's happening on the wintry side of Winter Storm Olivia. More on the severe side.
Not much to see up there for a while, so we'll look at.
We said goodbye to the day and to the city and drifted off into the twilight. And when we woke, we found that the whole world had reinvented itself.
I hope we don't get any copyrights for this.
Best cruise line in Europe, limited 7-day.
We'll save the view for the last ones.
In a little bit. Get a view of the internal cab. And we're stopping.
Got no footage of this.
This elevator here is not working for some reason. Here comes this one. Alright, we gotta go catch it. Oh crap. I got it. I didn't want to like put my hands in that.
Yeah.
Here we go. You like it?
Wow.
Yeah, it's
I
pretty
like
cool.
the dramatic music we had going here in the background, too.
Go ahead and send down the marquee level.
I'm going to stand toward the front of the cab this time. Ooh, wow, that's a long view down.
Yep. Non-stop ride. Go ahead and say that one more time.
Absolutely. There's a side view this time.
You get that side, I'll get this side. Whoa.
There's just nothing like it. It's almost disorienting.
I know. You want to get out or get a view?
I think I'm gonna come up here a third time.
Okay. You really love these elevators, don't you?
Yeah, this is a lot of fun.
Got the Weather Channel on. Sudden stop.
One more time, why not?
These are really fun elevators.
They are really fun. We'll get a view up there this time.
All right. These are just too fun to ride. And they took away the Series 1 button out here. Whoa, my ears have popped so much now. We can get a view over here.
I guess it left us.
Yep.
Which means somebody else called?
Well, they do have only 2 elevators running on the system right now. I'm gonna go call it. If we get the internal one, I'll send it down. Go on the other side. Hey, Jacob. I know, I wanted to do that just to fool you. We all go to our separate windows. There's the Hyatt. And the Westin.
Still very cool.
Do what?
I said it's a long way down, but not as long as it is at the Westin.
Yeah.
Somebody's about to go down the elevator.
I think by the time we walk, it'll probably be there. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, the internal one came. Yeah, you can get a good view down. And we wait. Trying to get the glass one to come back. Here it comes. Let's go for this nudges.
This is not a situation where you can play around and try to find things and see things. You're being tough to see it very much.
Here we go.
Very much in a situation where these things storms. Potential tornadoes are around. You're not going to see it's going to come up on you. You're going to see it in your water. You want to make sure you're getting in your safe zone. Immediate area here along the Gulf Coast that is under tornado line. So Mississippi.
See the single file escalators right here? And then the big ones next to it?
Yeah.
I think those are pretty neat.
Yeah.
My ears popped again. That's for you, James.
Yeah, definitely the most fun elevator I've ever ridden.
Yeah, it is pretty fun to ride.
Yeah. All right, time to ride some perking evaders.
That's great. We're gonna ride the perking evaders at the Marriott Marquis. with some EPCO lanterns here. These are still original. After you. Other side.
And
Parking too restricted. Uh-huh.
assuming it works.
You just gotta play with it. This is why they have a mind of its own.
This will go up. One thing I thought was interesting, I didn't notice that restricted floor thing lights up and press it.
Mm-hmm.
I think they do need to be modernized.
Yeah, it could use a little bit of a modernization. Or at least a control. A part with the controls, that is.
I think you just had the magic touch.
Well, I have lived here my whole life, so. Get a cab view. They're pretty small elevators, but they're parking, so it kind of makes sense. Go ahead and go up to the lobby. The spelling's right here. That's it.